Your social media feed is where you connect with friends, family, and the world. It's a digital space where you share experiences, discover new interests, and build relationships. It's a place to laugh, share funny memes, and connect with friends and creators whose content you enjoy. You can find communities built around shared passions and hobbies. It's a space to be yourself, express your unique personality, and share your thoughts and ideas with the world. Discover new things, stay in the loop with current events, and learn about different cultures and perspectives. Social media can be a powerful tool for education and personal growth. But just like any big city, with its bustling streets and hidden corners, there are a few shady characters, scammers, lurking online, trying to take advantage of unsuspecting users. They want your personal info, like passwords or credit card numbers, or they might try to trick you out of your money. But don't worry. You can outsmart them and protect yourself from these online threats. Being safe online isn't about living in fear or avoiding social media altogether. It's about being in control of your online experience and making informed decisions. You already know how to read people in real life, picking up on social cues and body language. Use those same instincts online, too. Trust your gut feeling when something seems off. It's not about memorizing a long list of complicated rules, just learning a few simple tricks and developing a healthy dose of skepticism to spot potential trouble. Once you know what to look for and how to identify potential scams, you'll be well equipped to keep your feed fun, engaging, and most importantly, safe. Let's break down some of the most common scams and deceptive tactics used online and learn practical strategies for how to protect yourself, your information, and your money. This isn't meant to scare you or make you afraid of using social media. It's to empower you with the knowledge and skills you need to navigate the online world confidently and safely. You're in charge of your feed, the content you consume, and the connections you make. You're also in charge of your data, your personal information, and your hard-earned money. Let's keep it that way, ensuring a positive and secure online experience for everyone. A scam is a trick to steal your money or personal info. Think of it as a magic trick with a bad ending. Scammers pretend to be celebrities, companies, or even friends using fake profiles and websites. You might wonder, why target me? Because you're online a lot, and they think you'll act fast without thinking. Your info, like your name, birthday, or school, is valuable to them. They use it to steal identities or sell to other criminals. But here's the secret. You're tech-savvy and quick to learn. With the right tools, you can spot their tricks a mile away. Prove them wrong, keep your accounts secure. Navigating the digital world can feel like traversing a minefield, especially with the ever-present threat of scams lurking around every corner. But don't worry. We're here to equip you with the knowledge you need to stay safe. Here are some of the top scams you'll see circulating on your feed. These are designed to grab your attention and exploit your trust, so it's crucial to be aware of what to look for. First up, fake giveaways. These often appear as posts from seemingly legitimate brands or influencers, promising incredible prizes if you simply click a link. But don't fall for it. These links often lead to phishing sites designed to steal your personal information. Next, we have get-rich-quick schemes. These come in the form of flashy videos promising to turn a small investment, like $50, into a fortune, like $500. But remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it's almost always a trap. Legitimate investments require time, effort, and careful research. Then there are phishing links. These are deceptive messages pretending to be official communications from platforms like Instagram or TikTok, often urging you to fix a problem with your account. But beware, clicking these links and entering your information will only steal your login info. Always access your accounts directly through the official app or website. And finally, be wary of suspicious job offers. These often masquerade as exciting opportunities like brand ambassador or model gigs, but they'll quickly ask for upfront fees or sensitive personal info. Remember, real companies never charge you to work for them. They invest in their employees, not the other way around. Scammers often use a sense of urgency and excitement to cloud your judgment and trick you into acting impulsively. So, if an offer seems too good to be true, with unbelievable rewards for minimal effort, it probably is. Always take a moment to double-check usernames and carefully look for subtle spelling mistakes or inconsistencies. Don't rush into things. Pause and take a moment to think critically before you click on any links or share any information. Protect your personal information like it's your most valuable asset, and always trust your instincts when something feels fishy. If something feels off, even if you can't quite put your finger on why, it probably is. Don't ignore that feeling. By staying alert, being skeptical, and following these tips, you'll outsmart the scammers every time and keep your digital life safe and secure. In today's digital age, staying safe online is more important than ever. Protecting yourself online doesn't have to be a chore. It can be simple, quick, and effective with just a few key steps. Let's dive into how you can safeguard your digital life in just 5 minutes. Start with the basics. Use strong, unique passwords for every account, and definitely turn on two-factor authentication wherever it's offered. Think of it. It's like a double lock on your account, adding an extra layer of security that makes it much harder for hackers to get in. Always think before you click. Pause and take a moment to consider if an offer feels urgent, sounds too good to be true, or asks for personal information upfront. Carefully check usernames and always look for bad grammar. Scammers often make mistakes that can be easy to spot if you're paying attention. Keep your personal info private. Don't overshare sensitive details on your profile or in those tempting online quizzes that ask for a lot of personal information. Only give apps the specific info they really need to function properly. If you spot a scam, report it immediately. And block the scammer. Help protect others from falling victim too. Never feel embarrassed or ashamed if you get tricked. Scams are designed to fool even the smartest people. If you suspect something is wrong, act fast and tell someone you trust, like a friend, family member, or teacher. Remember, you're part of a community. Look out for each other and share what you learn. A few smart habits consistently practiced will keep you safe and secure online. Stay sharp, stay informed, and protect your digital world. Your best defense online is your own instincts. If something feels weird, trust that feeling and pause. Scammers want you to ignore your gut. Don't let them. If you're unsure, ask a parent, teacher, or someone you trust for a second opinion. Every time you spot a scam, you level up your digital skills. The internet is full of opportunities. Enjoy it safely and confidently. You have the knowledge to outsmart any scammer. Be smart, be safe, and own your online world.